Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Omega Wisdom. Numerology is the ancient study of numbers and their influence on our lives. Each number carries a unique vibration, which can reveal a person's personality, life path, destiny, challenges and strengths. Your birth date, the 29th of November 2002. From this, numerology calculates several core numbers, primarily your life path number, which is the most influential in understanding your journey and purpose in life. 2. Calculation of the life path number. The life path number is derived by reducing the digits in your full birth date to a single digit, or a master number, which reveals your core essence and life's main themes. Birth date, the 29th of November 2002 day, 29 right pointing arrow 2 plus 9 equals 11 month. 11 November is already a master number year. 2002 right pointing arrow 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 4. Now, add the reduced parts, 11 day plus 11 month plus 4 year equals 26. Reduce further, 2 plus 6 equals 8. So your life path number is 8. Meaning of life path. Number 8. Key traits and characteristics. Life path. 8. Individuals are natural born leaders, highly ambitious, and driven by the desire for success and power. The number 8 symbolizes authority, material abundance, and financial mastery. You are goal-oriented, disciplined, and practical. You possess strong management and organizational skills. You thrive in situations where you can control and influence. Financial security and achievement are deeply motivating for you. Strength, strong leadership qualities and confidence. Ability to manifest goals through hard work and determination. Strategic thinker with good problem-solving skills. Resilience to overcome obstacles. Challenges tendency to become workaholic, risking burnout. Can be overly focused on material success, neglecting emotional or spiritual health. May sometimes appear authoritarian or insensitive. Need to balance ambition with compassion. The significance of the number 29, day of birth, your birthday 29, is particularly powerful because it reduces to the master number 11. 2 plus 9 equals 11. About master number 11. It signifies intuition, spiritual insight, and inspiration. You are likely to have a deep inner wisdom and creative vision. 11 is called the messenger number because it inspires others through its higher vibrations. You may often feel pulled towards spiritual or humanitarian pursuits. Balancing the intense energy of 11 requires grounding and focus. This duality means you have a unique blend of practicality, from life path 8, and spirituality/intuition, from master number 11. The influence of the month number, 11, November, is the 11th month, which is also a master number, reinforcing the spiritual and intuitive aspects in your personality. People born in the 11th month tend to be visionaries with creative, original ideas, sensitive, empathetic, and often drawn to helping others. Charismatic leaders who inspire through example, emotionally deep but can struggle with nervous energy. Your combination of life path 8 and master number 11 creates a powerful dynamic. You're not only driven to succeed materially, but also to make a meaningful impact beyond yourself. Career and financial potential. Given your life path 8 and the spiritual depth of master number 11, your career path is likely to involve leadership roles with significant responsibility, alongside a desire to contribute meaningfully to society. Ideal careers for you: business and entrepreneurship. You can excel in owning or managing companies, especially in finance, real estate, or commerce. Finance and banking. Your knack for numbers and strategy suits banking, investments, or wealth management. Leadership and management. You're suited for executive roles where decision-making is key. Law and justice. The strong sense of fairness and power makes legal careers suitable. Politics and public service. You may feel called to influence social structures, spiritual or motivational roles, using your intuition and insight to guide others spiritually or motivationally. Financial outlook. You have strong potential for financial success, especially if you combine your ambition with ethical practices. Avoid reckless risks. Strategic planning is your strength. Building wealth may take time but will be sustainable. Personality and relationships. Your personality combines strong leadership with deep emotional intuition. Personality traits: confident, assertive, and pragmatic. Emotionally sensitive beneath a strong exterior. Loyal and dependable in personal relationships. A natural problem solver who values honesty. sometimes guarded about your feelings. Relationship dynamics. You seek stability and loyalty in relationships. May take time to open emotionally, but are deeply committed once trust is built. Communication and emotional expression are keys to healthy relationships. You are protective and supportive of loved ones but need to avoid being overly controlling. 8. Health and wellness. Stress management is crucial. The high demands you place on yourself can lead to tension-related health issues. Pay attention to cardiovascular health, blood pressure, and adrenal system. Regular exercise, meditation, and balanced nutrition will help maintain your energy. Incorporate relaxation techniques such as yoga or breathing exercises. Personal growth and spirituality. Your master number 11, energy suggests a strong spiritual calling. Explore meditation, mindfulness, or spiritual studies to nurture this aspect. Find ways to balance material success with inner peace. Serving others or mentoring can fulfill your soul's deeper purpose. Creativity and artistic expression may be powerful outlets. Lucky numbers and colors. Lucky numbers 8, 11, 2, 29. Lucky colors, dark blue, black, gray. Lucky days. Saturday. Ruled by Saturn, which influences 8. Annual and life cycles. Numerology also looks at personal year cycles to predict themes for each year. Your current and upcoming personal years may bring opportunities for leadership, financial growth, or spiritual awakening. Awareness of yearly cycles helps you plan for challenges or growth phases. Summary. To summarize, your life path number 8 indicates a journey towards success, power, and mastery of material life. Your birthday, 29, reduces to master number 11, adding spiritual depth, creativity, and intuition. November's energy reinforces your visionary and sensitive traits. You are well suited for careers in leadership, finance, law, or spiritual guidance. Balancing your ambition with emotional awareness will help you achieve both external success and inner fulfillment. Health and stress management are essential for sustained well-being. Developing your spiritual and creative sides will enhance your life's meaning. I can also considers your name number, which is calculated from the letters of your full name and can reveal hidden talents or challenges. If you provide your full name in comment box and date of birth, I can analyze your name number and compare it with your life path for a more complete picture. If you enjoyed this video and found the numbers speaking to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your journey with the universe has just begun. Stay tuned for more Omega wisdom.